Hi, this is Divya Pandit, your tarot card reader, spiritual healer, and life coach. So here we start with Pisces March 2021. So let's see what Pisces have in March month, right? Uh, Being a water sign, they're very, very emotional, aren't they? So let's see Pisces. Pisces. Wow, too much of sword energy. Too many swords, Pisces. So not that swords are bad, but it's. I feel Pisces, you are giving up hope in life with the people you knew up till now. It's like your old friends, your siblings, maybe older parents with their children. Some kind of giving up hopes regarding emotional relationships, mentally, feeling low, right? You're visiting your old memories, maybe some of y'all, not all of y'all, but some of y'all must be visiting your old friends too. I feel that in the first week of March, Pisces, there is a lot of ending of a cycle, ending of relationships, ending, maybe ending of a new cycle of your business work, money, ending of maybe an old job, starting with something new. Lot of ending energy, also an energy of betrayal. I feel there is a lot of betrayal energy. So be careful of getting cheated in the first week of March, Pisces, as you all are very soft and emotional people. Okay, so I feel either this energy is coming from the past and haunting you, or maybe you will go through some kind of betrayal energy. Okay, betrayal, ending of relationships, ending of certain contracts. It could be ending of some kind of a job, something. Some ending is happening, and somewhere you will feel very cheated and betrayed in the first week. So be careful, Pisces. Okay, the second week. Second week is circumstances. Fearing, I take this card either as feel not feeling well, okay, and also I feel that your health might take a toll because of the first week will create a lot of negative energy on you, maybe a lot of pressure on you, a lot of hurt, maybe it might affect your health, okay. Also, this card is, I feel, circumstances around you, okay. Circumstances around you may be such that there must be a lot of stuck kind of energy, feel stuck because of circumstances, or maybe you feel stuck, maybe you're not feeling well, maybe you'll feel that you might get into a lot of fears and insecurities, like because of that also you might start feeling low, depressed, or maybe some kind of health issue might trigger. So please take care, Pisces, in the month of March, the first week and the second week. They don't seem to be very, very positive for you. So please take care. Okay, I'm sorry, this is a general reading and I'm here to show you the truth, not to sugarcoat. Okay, I never sugarcoat my readings, as you all have seen. People who are following my channel, they know I never sugarcoat anything because I'm here to speak the truth and give you all the clarity. Okay, the third week, the third will get you some kind of financial offer, and this offer, I'll tell you, is going to be an offer in which you will have some kind of savings. See, offers are always coming our way, but when the offer is making us save some money, that is the best offer, isn't it? So this is going to be an offer where you will be saving a little money. Some money will be in your hand after that. Okay, and the fourth week of March, again, you are going to get into a lot of conflict, fighting, arguments. This conflict also, like I always say, could be your inner conflict too. But I feel there is a lot of, I feel people are going to oppose you. People are going to say, oh no, you're wrong, you did this, you did that. A lot of accusation kind of an energy. Okay, so please be careful, Pisces, as you are a water sign, you are very emotional people. Try to take care in the month of March. Let me think of something that I can give you, Pisces, as a upay, as a remedy for you to, do. I feel that you all should to get rid of conflicts. So I have, my channel is full of remedies, full of useful remedies which actually work. But I feel Pisces, the more you enter the green zone, like if you're more connected with the tulsi plant, or maybe do some kind of meditation in a garden or something, it's going to be very healing for you. Also, you could even keep, normally I give this remedy to a lot of people, that you could eat tulsi leaf every morning. Okay, every morning, the minute you get up, you brush your teeth, you just put one leaf of tulsi on your tongue and sit for 2 minutes, and then have your tea or coffee or whatever your morning ritual is. After that, only you will, it's more like having that green leaf could be a very healing thing for you. Okay, with an intention to give you protection, give you clarity, give you healing, emotional healing, or whatever healing you need. That green energy will actually work and work on your heart chakra and basically whole body and aura. So do this every morning, Pisces. It will be good for you. You might get the strength to walk forward and take things in a good way. Okay, so let's see, Pisces, what we have for you in relationship. See, some months may be good, some months might be bad. It's okay. That's how life goes, isn't it? Wow, the card jumped out. Embrace. It's a nice card. Let's see what we have. So I think in relationships, Pisces, you need to embrace something which you may be not embracing all these months. Yes, you need to embrace trust, crown chakra energy. A lot of crown chakra energy, isn't it? There's a lot of trust card is also of, I feel, goddess Durga. So if you all could do some kind of Durga part or Durga Chalisa in this month of March will be good. Others who are not Hindus can follow the green thing, the tulsi, the holy basil. If you don't have basil, holy basil and tulsi in your country, just go with basil, normal basil. Even basil has very very healing qualities. Okay, maybe some Pisces, you all are looking for some kind of decision being made in a relationship. Maybe you're waiting for the person to say yes, or maybe you're waiting for your relationship to get better. Okay, I feel there is again an energy of rebuilding of relationship in the month of March for Pisces. There's a lot of rebuilding of energy. See, here you have to heal your heart. Somewhere if you go with the flow and know what you're fighting. I always tell, choose your battles. Choose your battles means you have to choose what you are fighting for. What are you fighting for, Pisces, in a relationship? Is it for love? Is it for commitment? Is it for someone else? Are you buying someone else's thoughts? That also happens. I feel that there is a lot of rebuilding energy in the month of March for you, Pisces, and you will come out as a winner. Because if you decide what you're fighting for, are you fighting for your children? Are you fighting for your place in that person's life? If you decide on that, you will come out beautifully, and you need to think positive. Manifest, law of attraction is very, very important in the month of March. You need to think very, very positively and very strongly. Only then things will improve in your relationship. And singles, you need to use law of attraction. You need to manifest. Only then you'll find your soulmate, right? So let's see what fairies have to tell you. That was good, right? Relationship area, not bad. So let's see what fairies have to tell my Pisces, my Pisces. Fairies, tell me. Debt paid off. Maybe whatever you went through up till now, karmically, whatever you have gone through, all your karmics are debts are paid. Even if your relationships are not working, if people have left you, they were all karmic, so all gone, all karma cleared. Okay, can I get my specs? My fairies have not misplaced them today. Okay, so the old weight and habit of debt is lifted from you and your life. That's good, isn't it? So maybe whatever you went through up till now was a karmic debt that you were paying. Now that is over and done and dusted, you can begin new in life. Whatever you've been through in the month of March, you'll go through. April will be a new beginning for you, isn't it? It's great. That's all. And let me know in the comment box whether it resonated with you. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon, like my Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. I put a lot over there too. Share it with family and friends, and call me for paid appointments only and email me for paid appointments only. That's all for today. Goodbye. God bless you. Bye. Bye.